Push-ups. This is the most basic body weight exercise you can do. Can you lift your own weight? So basically, this is a chest exercise, chest and triceps. So what you want to do is make sure that it's your chest and your triceps that you're working when you're doing this exercise. Okay, too many people using their shoulders, or not using their chest at all, going up all crooked. So yeah, make sure it's your chest that you're using. Number one thing, keep your core tight. You want to be as straight as a plank when you're going down. That way when you push up, there's not any loose energy. So what I mean by that, when you go down into the push-up, if you're going like this, I don't know, if you're like pushing all unevenly, then first of all, you're creating imbalances, and second of all, you're just not doing the exercise properly. So what you want to do is go down on the ground, starting position, and what you want to do, put your hands at about, like your thumb should be in line with your arm, with your nipples, okay? And your hands should be about just outside of shoulder width apart. And then when you go up, straight plank, you're squeezing your chest. Notice how my elbows are at 45 degrees. What I see a lot is when people have their hands too far forwards and then their elbows shoot out and then they can't quite lift because they can't engage their chest because their hands are too far in front of them. So what you want to do, again, line up your thumbs with your nipples, hands just underneath your shoulders, plank, flex your core, push up. Keep your elbows 45 degrees. And that's a push-up.